Oh, kumusta na kayo? You know, I've been in show business for over 15 years now. At naswerte ko talaga to be able to work with some of the most successful people in the industry. And you know what? When it comes to my finances, they all give me the same solid advice. Invest in Philippine real estate. Lahat naman tayo nagsisikap sa trabaho, di ba? So it's very important to know where to put our hard-earned money. And I've found that the best investment really is property. But not just any property. Century Property, syempre. I've done my research, and you can see Century's projects really are the best. Like my condo, the Gramercy at Century City, the Knightsbridge Residences next door, or the Moderno at Canyon Ranch. In times like these, dapat ingatan natin ang ating savings. And the best investment really is Philippine property. But then again, not just any property. Dapat Century Properties.